Alright guys, Precise Comfort Services LLC. We're out here on a commercial rooftop, actually for the Lehigh Valley Mall. We got 3 systems. This is RTU1, RTU2, RTU3. All carrier systems. Complaint from the customer was the thermostats and the indoor sensors do not seem to be working properly since it is extremely cold inside the location. Using testing equipment, psychrometers, thermometers, and everything like that, diagnosed the sensors to be within range, accurate range. Now, issue with these systems that I was able to find is with the sensors and the thermostats themselves. The thermostats, they are operational. However, I have seen them seem a little glitchy a little bit. So I'm going to write the thermostats up to get them replaced. They're located in the break room / office room of the store, and the actual sensors are out on display throughout the store showroom. Now, the sensors, they seem to be operating, close within range to what I tested. However, the store has large mirrors and furniture in front of the sensors, which prohibit the airflow to get through the sensor properly to get accurate readings. I'm going to write the sensors up. I'm going to write the thermostats up and see if they accept the quote or if they decline the quote. Either way, the systems are operational, and they also were trying to run the temperature down to about 67 degrees inside, which is going to cause them to have that problem where they think it's too cold inside the building. If you have it set to 67 and you feel too cold, don't have the thermostat set to 67. But that's pretty much it for this location. Alright, if you guys are in the Bucks County, PA area code or surrounding areas, give us a phone call, 908-476-8921. We do commercial and residential heating, air conditioning. We also do handyman services, maintenance services, janitorial services. Just call us up and see if we can help you with what you need done. 908-476-8921. Precise Comfort Services LLC.